the sound of the heat, for the sound of the rain. It's easy to sleep when it wets my brain. It covers my rest with a saccharine sheen.